Bonjour tout le monde, and greetings from Grenoble, France. My name is Daryl Haggard. I am a professor of physics at McGill University and in the McGill Space Institute. I am honored and humbled to accept the Rutherford Memorial Medal from the Royal Society of Canada. Thank you for this amazing recognition from the RSC, and particularly to my nominators and colleagues, eminent letter writers, and McGill's support team, without whom this honor would not have come to pass. As academics, we stand on the shoulders of giants, and Ernest Rutherford is no exception. But as a contemporary woman scientist, my giants are my family, the postdocs and students in my research group, and my amazing collaborators. Together, we have glimpsed light as it swung by a supermassive black hole, narrowly avoiding capture at the event horizon. Rutherford won a Nobel Prize in the 20th century for early discoveries surrounding the transmutation of elements, which we now know of as nuclear reactions. The idea of nuclear reactions might send a bit of a chill down your spine right now, but know too that they are essential to the explosions that forged the elements that make up our very bodies, our Earth, and our universe. My team and I study these explosions and look in wonder as we receive photons emitted as two neutron stars smash into one another in outer space and likely give rise to a new black hole. It's pretty spectacular and very exciting. All of our research can be bent to many uses, and I challenge each of us to bend ours toward a better future. I will miss celebrating with all of you tonight, but know that I am with you in spirit and feeling the glow and privilege of being a part of this wonderful RSC community, and I am honored by this award. Thank you very much.